Okay, then let's think about now reading z-score a little more detail. Okay, if you look at the our lesson note, page 41, you will see this question. Okay, so find the area under the standard normal curve to the left of z equal to negative 0.99. Alright, so as I told you, the z-score actually show that the left side area here. So now you just read the z-score of this one, then you can find the z-score value. So go to z-score and then find negative 0.99. So negative zero point 0.9 here, right? This part and 99 which is here. So the value will be actually negative side. So negative zero point 0.9 and then 9 here, so should be 0.1611. That should be the answer. So that equal to 0.1611. Okay, yeah. All right, then let's look at the second example. The second example is find the area under the standard normal curve to the right of z equal to 1.06 here. Yeah, somehow this one actually the area will already shown on this graph here. But anyway, if you read z equal to 1.06, then you will be given this area basically because the z-score value always gives you um, left side area. So let's double check anyway. 1.06. So it's positive side here. So 1.0 and then 6. So which is 0.8554. Okay. So as you see, this is 0.8554. So that's the given 1.06 actually z-score value. But we don't want to find actually left side value in this case. We want to find the right side. So in this case, you need to subtract this value from the 1. Okay, then why we have to subtract that from the 1? Because do you remember the previous lecture? The sum, the left side and the right side must be equal to 1. Therefore, we know this area, right? So you just subtract this area value from the 1, then you can find basically right side area value, which is 1 minus 0.8554. So this answer becomes 0.1445. Okay? So now then next one. So find the area under the standard normal curve between negative 1.5 and 1.25. So it shows that between these two values, which means as graph is shown, we are finding this area basically. Okay. Then how to find this area? One thing I'm gonna give you a hint. So this case, negative 1.5 is on the left side, 1.25 it will be on right side here. So no matter what, you have to read their z-score value first. Then if you read negative 1.5, then you will get this value here. Good? Because z-score always gives you left side area, right? But now if you read 1.25, then you will be given this area. Okay, so this area covers actually z equal to negative 1.5 area as well. Okay, then just find this area. Basically, you subtract from 1.25 z-score value to negative 1.5 z-score value. So let's find out their z-score value first. So z equal to 1.25, that equal to 1.25, which is 0.8944. So 0.8944 and z equal to negative 1.5. So negative side, negative 1.5 is here, 0.0668. Therefore, this area value will be 0.8944 minus 0.0668. So that equal to 0.8276. Okay, so brief summary here. So like number one, so find the area under the standard normal curve to the left. Then you just read their z-score value like that. Then there will be the answer. But now, if the question is given the right side value, then you need to read this one z-score value, but you have to subtract the z-score value from the one like this. Then you will get the right side area. The reason as I told you before, the sum of the left side and the right side must be equal to 1. That's the reason. And third, if the question asks you between the two different z-score, then you need to read each z-score area value and subtract from bigger value to smaller value. Then you can find area of between two z-scores.